How to see who shared my post on Facebook. To do that, first of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook. If you have already done so, then open Facebook. So after this, what you can do is on the top left side, you can see there is a profile. If you have updated your photo, then you can see the photo. And if you have done it, then you can simply see on the top right side, there are 3 vertical lines given. And when you tap on this, just scroll down unless you see the option of settings, which you can see on the top side surely. And when you tap on settings, you will see many options here. And among there on the preference side, just scroll down and tap on the notifications option. When you tap on this option, you will see so many notifications such as comments, tags, reminders, more activity about you, and many others. So when you allow all the notifications and enable everything, notifications will be seen in your Facebook account. So from here, just tap on more activity about you and make sure you have enabled all the notifications. So when you do this, every interactions that you get on your Facebook accounts will be notified to you by your Facebook account. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.